So y'all motherfuckers won't keep talking about niggas' nose. Like I ain't been having a big ass nose since I was a kid. You know what I'm saying? They used to call me sniffles. I don't give a damn about none of that. I do what I want when I want to. How I want to. If I want to smell some damn flowers, I'll smell some damn flowers. If I want to smell some damn ass, guess what? I'll smell some damn ass. Hear me? That's what I do. Matter of fact, for the damn on, you call me
Don't touch it.
sniffles, nipple. Because I'm mean. I'm always be mean. Big King never been skinny. But my nose has been bold for a long time. So call me sniffles. With the nose is bold. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do it. I'm going to keep on chewing my gum. With my big ass nose and my crazy looking ass. You get me? These hoes love me. These hoes love me. I got $40.